we're checking out one of the top accessories for the Apex 300 from BLUETTI. It's the SolarX 4K, and it comes with the P090D adapter cable. And if you're in a hurry and just trying to get a discount, feel free to use our promo code AdventureTech to get a discount on this. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over here, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the SolarX 4K because this is ideal for the Apex 300 that just got released. So what we got going on here, this is the world's first 4 kilowatt solar charge controller. All in one huge solar input you can get with this. The BLUETTI SolarX 4K takes 150 to 500 volts from nearly any rooftop ground array and converts it into safe sub 60 volt charging for BLUETTI portable power stations, up to 4,000 watts. That's pretty crazy. That means faster charging, more stored energy, and reliable power, whether you're backing up for your home, running off-grid stuff, or building your own solar farm to make a little bit of cash. This is fully scalable. You got 4 kilowatts to 12 kilowatts with these. Solar 4K lets you decide how much solar power fits your life. Use 1 unit to cover daily essentials or scale up to 3 for your whole home. It connects your existing solar setup via AC coupling, keeping BLUETTI's DC inputs free for extra panels. You get more energy faster without tying up your system. You can charge your BLUETTI system your way. The SolarX 4K works seamlessly with a wide range of BLUETTI power stations and battery packs. From Apex 300 to the AC300 to AC500 and all the big stuff. Whether you're charging 1 unit, several at once, or mixing stations with batteries, SolarX 4K delivers safe, efficient, and flexible solar charging tailored to your setup. And this is compatible with the app so you can easily control your system in real time, receive firmware updates, troubleshoot instantly, all from the BLUETTI app. And it is one of my favorite apps. I use it all the time. It's got really great offline mode, which I really appreciate them putting in. Gives you complete control wherever you are. This is one of the best things to have if you already got the Apex 300. I highly recommend picking one of these up, and you can really get some solar power coming in. You can sell that to the grid, use it for your lifestyle or whatever you need to do. Plus, you can use our promo code AdventureTech to get a discount on that right now. Use the links in the comments to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Don't forget you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button and click that bell icon. You'll be one of the first people to hear about these deals.